guys, my son chocolate from my collect yesterday. You see me? One of them here. I'm gonna collect from a friend. I think in sense that report some of them already. See? I start broke out some of them already. Some broke out. There's some put them to dry. See? What leap. Alright guys, so this is it. And them here are the shell, the waste, you see me? As you see in the previous video, when I go look some chocolate, they're never good, and now I get the chance so I can get some to try making them from scratch, because I love the tea and I never met them before, so I'm sorry I met them and gain experience. You see me? So I don't know how long it take to dry, but when it dry now, I can link them back and show them how I go, and I'm taking them through the entire process. So the drying process, so once I pick them out now, the drying process, or me patch them, then beat them, then actually make them the chocolate balls. Yes guys, these are the chocolate seeds, right? And them are dry from Wednesday morning. I think we get them from Tuesday night. Yeah. But my brother say we should put them to ferment first before we put them to dry. So I missed one process. He must say when you ferment, then dry faster. Right? He must say if you ferment, the syrup are growing off right. So I guess if you put them ferment, then they're brown and like this when they dry. Some of them wouldn't have the white stuff on it. Right? So I hope it turn out good, see me, you see me? So my part of them now. Yeah man guys, so this is it. I'm going to roast them now. They put on the wood fire, you see me? They can do it on a coal stove up on the stove, but me like the out of the vibe, so it's alright. Use the wood fire. And guys, even miss out one step, the fermentation process, I cannot be blamed for that, because everybody them asks how to do it, them say same thing. Get it, pick it up, put it dry, parch it, or roast it, beat it, and then put it in the bars, right? So no one tell me say them ferment. So I'm not take blame for that, I swear. Yeah man guys, it's to update on what I go on. Since I get black, yeah man, update this. Yeah man guys, so them turn black now, and I hear a little popping sound when I turn it, right? We keep on hear popping sound, so I figure say at the outer layer at the seed a crack. The shell where seed in a crack. So I take it off of the fire now upon the black here. See the fire there? So I'm gonna test it now. You see me? But them hot. I can test it and see what I go on. Yeah man, see the guys? Yeah man guys, see what I go on here? So now I go and pick out guys. But I realize some of them, when I crack them out, them, see it, them break up. So I don't know if me roast them too long or sparge them too long, I don't know. I don't know guys. So let me see it turn out now. Guys, so I go in here. And if anything now come out easy as I shell, put them at my pot. And me continue patch them. And some with the extra pair hands there to help me. So we finish everything now. I'm checking back and show you how I go on. Yeah man guys, that's what I go on here now. Yeah. See? Start there now to be no. Mm. Guys, right now the flavors from the cinnamon leaf and from the coconut, very nice. It smells so good already. You see me? So guys, after a few minutes of beating, but I still have very long way to go. See? Smell nice though. Very. Yeah man guys, this I just update on Wagwan. Right now me a beat for the past 2 hours and I know me can't see it's like it idle to the point where we can roll it on the ball. I don't know if because I don't have a proper mortar. I mean beating on the pot. Why it that takes so long to start become like that? I don't know. But this it smell nice, I swear. Because I don't know me put the cinnamon leaf and such a nice spice it up. Yeah. But me really want to start get oil in you cause at night now and at 2 hours this me a beat now. But I'm gonna beat some more guys. But to me, this can all boil to the same way, I swear. It's my eye look oily. So continue beating guys. Alright guys, so if I know what to say, you cannot do in a metal pot, right? You definitely need the wooden mortar to do it because me I beat it from after 5 and 8 o'clock. We still don't beat it. It still start get oily. We start um can roll on the chocolate balls. So you can do in a metal container. So we need to get a mortar, wooden one, and I do it again. I swear, because I love these things a lot. But this can boil, it can boil same way. So make some tea with the same way. You see me? But I'm still gonna put the same way, showing how I go the same way.